Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo phone guys talkback full setting. How to use talkback on iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to use talkback on your iqoo mobile. So how to use talkback in this video friends, we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to use talkback. Guys, one by one and step by step friends, we will talk about what is talkback and how to use it on iqoo mobile. Friends, click on shortcut setting. After on shortcut setting friends, click on accessibility setting. After on accessibility friends, you want to use your select to speak setting, you can on. Friends, you want to on your switch edges, so you can on from here. Friends, we will click on talkback, and guys we will on talkback. Friends, give permission here, allow option. Guys, talkback will on your iqoo phone, and friends click on close button, one tap and double tap here, one tap and double tap. Friends, now you want to back, so guys you cannot use back button with one tap. Guys, continue to tap here, one tap, double tap, one tap, double tap. So friends, you can use talkback. Friends, you can see talkback notification, talkback mode is on. So guys, person who is blind, they use talkback. So guys, they click, when they click any icon, so guys they listen icon name, Snapchat. So guys they double click on Snapchat. So guys, like they use talkback setting. Friends, you want to close any app, one tap here, double tap, use your two finger, and friends you can close your recent app. And friends, you can swipe here with two finger, one finger guys you cannot swipe, you cannot use it. Friends, use your two finger and scroll it. Friends, click on phone setting, double tap here, and friends you don't want to use talkback, so I scroll it. Friends, click on shortcut setting, one tap here, and friends double tap here. And friends, you can see this type interface, again scroll with two finger. Accessibility setting guys, one tap here, and friends if you one tap again, so you cannot on your accessibility setting, you want to on, so guys continue two tap here. And friends, you can see talkback setting, one tap on talkback, and friends again two tap on talkback. Use talkback, one tap, double tap, stop button. So a double tap here and a talkback will off on your iqoo mobile, and after of friends you can use your phone guys without talkback with one finger. Friends, you can use your iqoo mobile. So like that friends, we can use talkback setting on iqoo mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use talkback setting. So bye guys, we will meet on next video.